Welcome to R3 Tech. This is Ritesh Srinivasan. In this video, I'll do a walkthrough of Papers with Code. Papers with Code is a great machine learning resource for any machine learning enthusiast, be it a beginner or an expert. If you are new here and like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Let's get started. Papers with Code is a free and open resource with a collection of machine learning papers, code, and evaluation tables. Let us look at Papers with Code. So when you launch paperswithcode.com, you are greeted with this page. Here there are three tabs: Trending, Latest, and Greatest. Trending tab shows the papers which are currently trending on this particular website. The latest tab shows the latest papers which have been put up over here. The greatest tab shows the most popular research papers put over here. Now the most popular research papers are mostly on the frameworks and models with the frameworks. So here you can see TensorFlow, the paper on TensorFlow, the models using TensorFlow, then scikit-learn, PyTorch, and so on. Right? Now if you click on Browse State of the Art, you see that the papers are organized based on areas of research. So the broad areas of research are computer vision, natural language processing, the medical domain. Then there is papers related to methodology, related to machine learning. Then you have miscellaneous category. Then you have papers related to graphs, papers related to speech processing, papers related to playing games, papers related to time series analysis, papers related to audio processing, papers related to computer code, papers related to robots, papers related to music, papers related to knowledge bases, papers related to reasoning, and papers related to adversarial learning. Now let us browse computer vision as an area. So when you click on computer vision as an area, you see there are close to 675 tasks under computer vision. There are close to 173 data sets and close to 8,506 papers with code. Now, if you look at the subtasks over here, you have tasks like semantic segmentation, real-time semantic segmentation. So these are all the subtasks under semantic segmentation. Then you have subtasks under image classification. Now, if you click on image classification over here, you are taken to this page where there are 888 papers with code for image classification as a task under computer vision as an area. So here you can see that they have listed the various papers, and for each of the papers, when you click on the paper over here, this icon for the paper, you have taken to the page where there is the abstract of the paper. You can download the full paper by clicking on this PDF link over here, PDF icon. So you also have the repository or the code for this particular paper. Then you also have the results from the paper, which has the metrics, which also has the global rank on this particular task. Now here you can see the paper itself, and then here you can see the GitHub code for the paper. So paper with code neatly organizes the research paper along with the GitHub repository or the code linked to the paper and the results of the paper, as well as the tasks which have been described in the paper. For example, the tasks over here is data augmentation and image classification. One recent addition to this site has been the organization of papers related to machine learning components under this methods tab. So these are papers related to components of machine learning like regularization, stochastic optimization, attention, activation functions, normalizations. So if you look at the general category over here, you have close to 51 categories. So there are methods like skip connection blocks, optimization, methods related to regularization, methods related to stochastic optimization, methods related to attention, and so on. Now, if you were to click on attention as a method over here, you are led to this particular page where you have the different methods under the broader method attention. Now, if you were to click on multi-head attention, you are directed to this page where you have the original paper Attention is All You Need by Vaswani and others. So here there is an explanation of what is this multi-head attention as a method, and then you have the latest papers which are related to or which make use of this method, which is multi-head attention. Now, if you look at the tasks where multi attention is used over here, so you can see that this multi-head attention is used in language modeling, it is used in machine translation, it is used in question answering, and here is a distribution of papers which talk about multi-head attention as a method, and here are the tasks where multi-head attention is used. Another tab which you have over here is trends. So the trends shows how frameworks have been used by paper implementations. So if you look at this, initially a lot of papers were implemented using TensorFlow, but currently a lot of papers are implemented using PyTorch. So this kind of reflects the trend in research papers, how papers are implemented with different frameworks.
Let us look at the search functionality over here. For example, I want to search BERT. So the moment I type BERT, I get these auto suggestions. Now let me look at the methods. Now here you have the method which is BERT, the author who introduced BERT over here, and a link to the paper on BERT. Here there is a small explanation of what is BERT, and then you have the latest papers related to this particular method or BERT over here, the latest papers which reference BERT basically. Then you have the tasks where BERT has been used as a method. So if you look at the here there is the distribution of the task, for example language modeling close to 12.8% and so on, question answering, sentiment analysis, natural language inference and so on. So here you also have the distribution of the papers based on the tasks, right? So language modeling, there are close to 221 papers. Now if when I click the paper, the BERT paper, so it shows up this particular page where you have the paper, you have the abstract. So you can download the paper by clicking on the PDF icon, you can download the abstract over here. Then you have the tasks for which BERT has been used. So you have the tasks again, which is like named entity recognition, natural language inference, question answering and so on. You also have the code or the repositories linked up over here. So you have TensorFlow implementations of BERT, you have PyTorch implementations of BERT. So in total there are close to 263 implementations of BERT which has been listed over here. And then you can see the results from the paper as before. It shows the state of art, it is the state of art for common sense reasoning on a particular data set. So it shows the tasks over here along with the data set, along with the model, as well as the values of certain metrics. So papers with the code has a nice search mechanism to search for papers.
In summary, Papers with Code is a great machine learning resource for any machine learning enthusiast, be it a beginner or an expert. They have nicely organized the papers. If you are new here and like such content, please subscribe to the channel. Please like the video. Please share the video. Please press the bell icon so that you will get notified whenever I create new videos. See you in the next video. Bye.